So I picked up this bike at auction the other day. So you can see the bike was picked up by auction on March 4th. We picked it up yesterday. That'll be April 9th. The bike looks absolutely fantastic. This was salvaged for a very, very small amount of damage. I'll show you the damage in a second. And this is the good stuff right here. Great shape. 2018 GSXR 750. Absolutely amazing shape. Here's some damage here on the muffler. 1,400 miles. My guy Justin dropped it and messed it up. And here's some damage here. Right there. I'm looking at a little bit. Some scratches. These fenders are going to be all changed out. A little engine scratch right there on the engine cover. And that'll just come right out. A little paint will be done. Brakes, perfect condition. Forks, perfect condition. And here's the rest of the damage right here. Some cracks. The mirror fell off here. Cracks on the front cowling. The front cowling bracket is cracked. That's a piece of aluminum that will need to get replaced. That's about it. Overall, the bike is in great condition. Has a bit of a start here. Let's get her started up. All right.